So this all started in 2017. So I went to the Philippines. And when I went to the Philippines, I learned how to make Cuban links, rope chains, foxtails, back chains, earrings, diamond earrings, wedding rings, and men's fashion rings with diamonds in them. Okay.
Okay, so if it's become bigger, then start to make it rounder again until supposedly you will have to meet like that. Yes, correct. Okay. So that is just beginning. Yeah. So if we are going to make a gold, then you will do the diamond setting. Copy the sample. Okay. Okay. Let me continue that. You need to be strong like the rock. Yeah. Correct. So he made a big rose gold Cuban link chain and yellow gold assorted rings with diamonds and a small rose gold Cuban link chain. He is making also a foxtail chain and rope chain.
So I went there in 2017 in May, and I stayed there for a couple of months.